I've lived in 5 different countries and traveled to many more. But when I found this, 6 words, the map is not the territory. Those words come from Alfred Korzybski, a Polish semanticist. He's now deceased. But I've kind of elaborated on that. So the map is not the territory. The words are not the experience. The menu is not the food you eat. And these are all metaphors. Looking at a map of the west coast of Florida is not the same as driving north along I-75 and experiencing the beautiful bougainvillea swaying palms and Gulf Coast waters.